Here I come with getting my hair done.
Oh,
How he gets this is how he gets his first bath. There you go. Are you listening to that water? Are you having a water memory?
oh, little face.
All right, now we're going to see what's going on. Are you recording?
Yes.
All right, there you go. This is my first bath. Hi, everybody.
Oh,
I'm at the beautician's.
these eyes are watering.
There you go. There you go. Get a little bit on your neck. Get a little bit on your neck. Get that all cleaned out.
She's got dimples.
Oh, yes, I do. Say hi, Dad. Hi, Mom. Hi to your brothers. Hi to your brothers. Yeah. Get it all up under your neck. Oh, how's that feel? You like that? Or you like to hear the water?
Oh,
Now we're going to get through this hair and get any kind of look out of here from birth. Look at all my hair, everybody. I got lots of hair. My mama said, I hope he has hair. And he's got hair. Oh. Come this way. You want to talk about it? Oh. Nobody likes to get clean, do they? No. Nobody likes to get this clean. Now when he gets under the water, he's going to be very happy. Because he's going to feel all that water again. And that's a good memory for him, being in the water. There you go. Oh, there goes that hand. You and your hand. You and your hand. Feel that. Oh, that feels so good. There you go. Now look at his head. Just relax. He's liking that. Oh. Let's get the back part of your hair. Does that feel so good? Oh. Oh, that's good. He says, thanks, Lizzie. That's a good hair time.
it puts him right to sleep almost, doesn't it?
Well, you know, it's the sound, and it's so warm, and it's a feeling he's used to his body in the water. Yeah, so my hand touches your head, isn't it? Yeah. I know. All right, let's go up here. I know. Come on, let's get her hair. So much hair. Go, Daddy, go. Go, Daddy, go.
Hey, Jamie!
Here you go. All
What
right.
are you doing?
Good job. I know.
Erase it.
Oh, get over that. There you go. All right, rinse off. Get some of that poo a little bit softened up.
2 o'clock.
Oh. There you go. Come here. Oh, where's that face? Where's that most precious little face? Really? Terrible, isn't it? Somebody being the boss of you. I know. Get soaked up. Okay, here I come. Let's get soaked up. Hi. How are you? Oh. That's kind of cold for you? Yep. Can you imagine being happy in the uterus? Huh? Are you okay? His shirt's making you sick? Okay.
No!
You might should get him a hospital gown. You got yellow on. I think it might be making Mom sick. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. Do we have a shirt for him? I think I do. Well, just sit there and relax.
Yeah, it makes her sick. You buy her something.
I'll get you something to cover, okay? I sure will. Give me just a minute. I gotta clean the poo. He had some poo. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Look at you with all the poo. Look at you with all the poo. Yeah. Roll this way.
All over.
I mean, it was all over him. Just all over him. That was a massive poo. Now, sometimes he'll bleed a little bit. We'll just put new Band-Aids on there. He does.
He's still got a lot on his other leg.
Yeah, he's nowhere near done. We're just on this side. Now, the reason that poop doesn't smell is it's not bacterial, it's sterile. So it's kind of like a deal. Look at you. That's this side. It's pitiful. Roll this way. Pitiful. Yeah, he's got a little bit of bleeding. I mean, it's just incredible. There's a lot of poo, boy. There's a lot of poo. You're a big old guy. Yeah, you are. Good job. There you go. Oh, no. Okay.
Hey, look. Listen. Smile.